Hey everyone, welcome back to another day of the $500 challenge. As you guys know, I'm trying to make $500 from my woodworking business here that I'm running. And today is a good day because we just had our first sale of the challenge. We sold those 3 side tables for $250, and so that was really good. A nice chunk of change right there for just to get our spirits up a bit and keep going. But we're getting close to selling those, to putting up for those 2 other side tables for sale. But thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I really appreciate it, and if you would please subscribe, that would help out a lot, and hopefully get this video out to more people. Today I was just gonna continuing making more lumber, sawing up those logs that I had started sawing up last video. I had about 8 left there from those trees that I cut up from our bush. As you guys know, I like to saw my own lumber just because it saves me a lot of money, and I like reusing, being resourceful and reusing stuff that I already have. But yes, I will have to wait for this stuff to dry for a couple months at least, but still, it's still worth it. But yeah, so these 8 logs, as you guys know, I first saw them up, get two sides flat using the bandsaw jig that I made, which is just has a little track that follows the little groove on the bandsaw underneath, and I just hold the log in with a couple screws on each side. But yeah, and then once I have two sides flat, I then use the table saw just to cut a notch, or to set the saw to like 2 inches, and then just cut that just to help the bandsaw track it better. That helps a lot. But yeah, to get the 2-inch boards, once I have the 2 sides flat, I usually just make a little fence on the bandsaw with some clamps and a straight board set at 2 inches from the blade. Super simple, but it works. From these 8 logs, I got 9 2x4s, and I think I got 11 1x4s as well. So I mean, that's pretty decent for just these logs. Are about 5 to 6 inches in diameter, but yeah, maybe somewhere a bit more closer to 7, but was a nice way to reuse them. Since the bandsaw was nice and sharp, it went pretty slick. I also showed you in my other video, my day 10, this is day 11, day 10, how I sharpen my bandsaw and just make it really nice to cut these logs and really slick. But yeah, once I got that done, I then started chopping up all the scraps, all the live, or just the bark cuts, and just used my chop saw just to cut them into firewood. Super easy as well, and pretty quick. Most people would probably use a chainsaw, but I don't know, I just did this because I had that right there. But yeah, and then after that I started working on another project which involves, I'm gonna have to use these willow branches kind of to design table legs for a tree cookie table for a customer for a custom order, which is going to be a little bit tricky, but hopefully I'll be able to do it.